Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's again another video alert. So if you want to know how to again this beautiful style on my baby girl, watch to the end. So yes, going forward, if you want to you are using bobby wool for this hairstyle. So I don't even use up to three, I use 1.5. So and again you use more bead. So I use the bead to make the hair look kind of, fine, and small rubber. So here is me doing the bobby wool. Like, just watch and see how I did the bobby wool. So yes, just watch. So yeah, this is me back again after parting it into two, like into two different equal parts. Then you still, if you are starting from the other side, you still part the other side into two. You understand? Just watch me. Don't mind that girl. The hair was penning her. You understand? No kiss now. So after parting the first one, you still part the second one to make it more easy and neat. Because if you not do it like this, the hair will not mark neat, and it will not be easy for you. So at this point, I will allow you people to enjoy your video and watch. So yeah, this is me twisting it all around. So again, I'm trying to check if the hair will just turn over. You understand? As you are doing it round by round, you still check in order not to pass the length. You just check, just use it and check the other side whether it will, because it's like cross, it's not straight, cross. So I'm trying to check whether the length have passed or not. So this is the length of all of them. This is the length you'll be using. So I'm going to still do the same thing I did here to the same part. Yeah, so here now you are going to cross it over to the other side, making it to look that X sign, like crossing it over. See how I did it? Then you start tying it round again. So that is how you are going to be doing it. You cross this one over, you cross this one over, you cross this one over, you cross this one over. That is just it till you reach to the end. So beautiful people, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Try and like my video. Drop a comment if you want me to help you in something. Ask your question, ask me anything. I'm going to answer you. Thank you for watching and keep watching. Baby Carrie is awake again. So we have reached to the end. I want to show you people how I did. Instead of crossing it, doing it cross again, watch and see how I did the back. I just pick them, pick all of them, pick this one, tie everything together. Just watch how I put two of them together. yes, this is me. When I am done, finish this the other part, so you are still going to do the same thing that you did the same part to the other side. I just it. So this is me. I'm done with the other side. So I'm trying to, at this point, I'm trying to, put two of them together. At some point, I was confused. I was very confused. I was like, how am I going to put this thing? Like, the confusion was there because I was really, really tired at this point. So, this is actually me trying to figure out what to do and what not to do. So, at some point, I said, okay, let me try this one. If I just put it inside, then bring it out again, I put it inside, bring it out again. That is what I was just doing. So, the thing came out really, really fine. So just watch and see how I was just putting it inside and bringing it out, putting it inside and bringing it. So at some point I cut the other side, then start putting it out. The thing came out nice. So just watch. Yes, yeah, this is how I did it, and it came out really, really nice. So I will still do the same thing the other side. That's just it. This is how the hair come out. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to watch our video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.